Yeah, sorry guys, I was not saying something right. I was trying to check some things. So yeah, good morning everyone. Thank you very much for joining us today, and welcome to this live stream. So we're going to continue from where we stopped yesterday, right? So you guys can see I still have the setup, still have everything right on all of the trade that we took. So right now, this trade is still in about 11 pips, negative 11 pips, right? Which is NZD whereby NZD card after first take profit hits, then is now positive 15 pips in profit. So yeah, plus 15 pips, whereby GBP USD still negative 7 pips in profit, right? So negative 7 pips, and those ones are in profit as well. So yeah, but me personally, you know that I reduced the risk on my account. So, but I'm still holding it. I'm still holding them. Still holding the trade. So this is where risk management comes into play, guys. Make sure you know how much of your account size you are risking per each trade that you are getting in, right? It is very, very important. But before we continue, let me send the link to my free Telegram channel and to my students as well. Sorry, let me send the links to them. It is very, very important. Okay, guys. Yeah, just send the links to them. So hopefully they will join us anytime soon. So yeah. So we are going to start from where we stopped yesterday, according to what I'm doing right here. So everything's still intact, but I'm seeing GBP USD things reacting to this zone, reacting to this trend line. Do you guys observe something like that? Reacting to this trend line at the moment. If it's not able to reject this, something's gonna happen. To either continue the move to the upside or to break out of this trend line again and continue the move to the downside. Same thing with this, it will continue to move to the downside, and same thing with this. I'm still waiting for them to be in profit, right? Still waiting for them to be in profit. Okay, yeah. So like I've said earlier on, that I'm still holding this trade. So I don't know about you, if you are still holding it or not, right? So I'm still holding them, and not everybody can can hold this trade because of all of these drawdowns and things like that, right? But I'm still holding it based on the fact that I'm able to know how much I'm going to be losing if this particular trade go against me. I know how much I'm willing to lose. So it is what it is. I'm still holding them. So yeah, we might check out for another trade for the day since I'm still holding this trade. Okay, yeah, we are ready. So yeah, GBP right now is as if it's reacting to this trend line that I drew. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. But that's what I'm seeing at the moment. That's what I'm seeing. Negative 13 pips now. So it is what it is. Right now this one has well trying to go up. So this one has well. Let's see what happens. And this is kind of reacting to this zone right here. You see this zone, right? It's reacting to this. So we still need a break out of this zone in order for it to continue the move to the downside, right? So I'm just trying to take note of all of these zones because it is very, very important for you to mark them out accurately. So yeah, yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending. Because your presence is very important here. And Tafari is saying hello. Yeah, hello, bro. How are you doing? Hope you good. Ray, okay. How you doing, sir? Hope you good. And Tino is saying hello, Israel the trader. Yeah, hello, bro. How you doing, bro? Hope you good, man. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. If there's any pair that you guys want to check out, you can just write it down in the comment section and let me know. Hey, Israel. See, can you just analyze this particular pair for me, or can you just check out this pair for me? I'll try my best and check it out for you, then tell you what is gonna happen, right? So, without wasting much of your time, let's check out for some trade, right? Because some of this trade that we took yesterday, we are still in drawdown. NZDCHF still in drawdown. NZD card in profit. GBP still in drawdown as well, right? Drawdown of how much? How many pips is this? Drawdown of about 12 pips. So it is what it is. I'm still holding it as well, but you know how much I'm risking on this? I'm risking 2%. I reduced the risk though. I was risking 3% of my account size, but I reduced the risk to like 2%. So now I'm risking 2% of this on this particular trade. I'm risking around okay. So this NZD card hit our first take profit yesterday. So right now, um, I'm still holding some of my position, which is like if it happens that it goes against me, I'll lose around 1% of my account size. Then on NZD CHF, same thing as well, 1%. So overall, I'm risking like 4% of my account size on all of this trade, right? So I'm risking like 4%. So today, the maximum I'm going to risk today, I might risk like 6% on all of the trade that I'm about to take today, right? All of the new positions. That's what I'm thinking of doing. But first of all, we have to start with the analysis, right? You have to start with the analysis. Like I said earlier on, if there's any other pair that you guys are looking, just try and let me know. Hey Israel, check this and things like that. How many pips stop loss do you use for GBP Okay, let me check it out for you. GBP I think is around about let me check it. Let me check it for you, bro. So yeah, I'm risking about 59 pips. I'm risking about 59 pips on GBP. You can see it right here. 59. You see it, right? Let me make it bold for you so that you can see it. You see it, 59.3. That's what I'm risking on GBP and this is for our time frame, right? So, and the first take profit 30 pips and things like that. Or let me just copy, because I had to clean it yesterday. Let me copy everything so that I can just paste it here again. Let me copy that for you guys. Let me copy that for you real quick, right? So that you can understand what's going on. Oops, sorry guys, my mic was mute, and I'm back again speaking. Okay, yeah. So like I was saying earlier on, that if it is a stop loss hit, it is what it is. And if it is a take profit hit, it is what it is. I don't hide things, man. I don't hide things, you know. So yeah, we are still using yesterday's data to put for this particular pair being GBP right? You guys can see this was when I sold this GBP. I say I'm still risking around 2% of my account size on GBP, right? And on other trade, I'm still risking like 2% on both of them as well, which is NZD CAD and NZD CHF. So overall, I'm risking like 4% of my account size on this particular trade. And if you are my VIP or premium students here, let me show you. Euro USD is still moving. Same with GBP CHF. Euro USD, I'm still in it, and GBP CHF, I'm still in it as well. Where is Euro USD? Yeah, so you see, this is Euro USD now. It's still moving in a direction. So we took this trade last week. Right now, I'm still holding it. I'm still holding the trade. So the final take profit is 120 pips, right? So of course, our first take profit was triggered last week. Right now, we are up on this for about how many pips? For about 64 pips now. So we are halfway from our take profit, right? And the GBP CHF, I'm still in it as well. Where is GBP CHF? I'm still in it. So you see, after the first take profit, second take profit, and right now I'm still holding this GBP CHF as well. So, but I'm not holding it with a very big lot size whatsoever. I'm still holding it with, I'm risking like around 0.5% of my account. It's not even up to 1% of my account on this trade. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm still holding it as well. So yeah, let's go down to our GBP USD so that we can continue where we stop, right? So this is where we stop. And yeah, I say that I sold it here. So let me mark out the entry price and first take profit, things like that. So the entry price is around 1.31951, right? 1.31951 okay, 31951 951. That's my entry. This is where I got in. Sorry for that. This is where I got in, I think so. Yep, this is where I got in. You see this? 31951. That's where I got in, but we officially got in right here on this particular trade yesterday when we were doing live stream, right? So I was kind of late to get in, but it is what it is. That's my entry point, man. That's my entry point. So, and first take profit is around 31647. 31647. That's the first take profit. Of course, yesterday we were just, you know, it wasn't it was not even up to 1 pip away from our first take profit to be triggered, but it has not been triggered. So I'm not going to be saying okay, it has been triggered and things like that. Oh, you guys can see my chat. I'm coming. Wow. Sorry guys. Okay. Hope you guys can see it now. Right? Just let me know if you can see it. Can you guys see my chat now? Just let me know if you can see it. How about now, guys? Can you guys see it? Okay, wow, okay. Thank you for that. I'm sorry for that, right? I was thinking that maybe you guys are seeing it. That's why I was continue speaking about it and things like that. Yeah, so as I was saying, I was speaking about the entry point and the first take profit and things like that. So this was where I got in, but we on this channel we got in right here, right? But me, I was kind of late. That's why I got in right on this point. So it is what it is. But right now, what I'm saying is that GBPUSD is reacting to this particular trend line. If you observe that thing, is reacting to it, trying to push to the upside. So the reason why I don't want to get out of this trade is that the market is not able to break out of this zone and continue the move to the upside. It's not able to break out of this. So anything that will make it to break out of this zone and go up, retest, boom, it will continue the move to the upside and maybe hit our stop loss and things like that. So I'm just risking 2% of my account size on this trade. So if it hit my stop loss, I know how much I'm going to lose already. So it is what it is. I'm still in it, but in a drawdown, right? I'm still in it, but in a drawdown. And like I was saying, this is the first take profit. This is the first TP. Our second TP is around price 31448. 31448. That's the second take profit. And of course, right now, GU just pushing to the upside, man. Let me check the other trade. So this one as well, trying to push to the upside, but NZDCHF pushing down to be in profit, right? And of course, this is just some sort of manipulations, guys. All of these pairs, they move positive to each other, so that's the correlation. But I don't know, for whatsoever reason, you see some of them are acting somehow, you know. But it is what it is, man. Yeah, we're trying to see what is gonna happen. But this one is still negative 8 pips. That's negative 8 pips, you know. And NZD card is still in profit for about how many pips? For around 6 pips, you know, for around 6 pips. So, and GBPUSD still in drawdown of how many pips? If it is for me, I'm still in drawdown of let me check it, drawdown of about 25 pips. But for you guys that took it right here, you're still in drawdown of 20 pips, right? So like 5 pips gap between me, my entry points, and the official entry point that we took on this channel. So that is it, man. That is it. And this is the second take profit. Let me highlight it as well so that you can understand it. This is second TP. For plus 30 pips, right? These 30 pips. Now 50 pips, sorry for that. Okay, let me just put it here and it will be our first take profit, not second take profit. Now copy this, change this to first, not second. Then I'll put second take profit for 50 pips here. So this is gonna be 50. See that? But I've told you already that according to what I'm seeing is pushing to the upside. But I'm already in this trade. That's why I don't want to get out of it with this negative and things like that, right? So if it want to go and hit my stop loss, I'm okay with that. That's why I'm not able to get out of the trade. So But once this trend line go broken and retest, definitely is gonna push to the downside. But right now, um, but according to what I'm seeing, it's changing direction, right? So we'll be expecting it to break out of this level before we can now say, okay, it's going to come down and hit our first take profit and second take profit, right? But according to what we are seeing, is changing direction to the upside. But I'm already in this trade. I can't buy it. I can't buy and sell at the same time, right? Can't buy and sell. So I don't want to be changing things like that. So this is gonna be entry points. That's gonna be the entry point. So yeah, that's it. That's it. So oh wow. Let me start reading your what are you guys are saying. Okay, how many pips stop loss do you use for GBPUSD? Hello guys, yeah, hello bro, how are you doing? And the market is not stable these days. Yeah, for sure, because of this coronavirus vaccine and what do you say call it, and this US election things. Donald Trump is still yet to concede the election, so that's why all of this space is not stable. Nothing is stable these days, except to be after New Year. Then maybe during that kind of February and things like that, then they might be stable. By then they might be stable. But it is what it is. We have to see it first before we can say, okay, it's going to be stable and things like that, right? So of course we are still waiting for it. Anything that happens, let it happen. But coronavirus vaccine is still affecting the market right now. You know that coronavirus vaccine, they don't announce the time that they usually announce the effective of the vaccine, right? Remember yesterday they say the vaccine is about, which was for Moderna, the vaccine was about 95% effective. That was the news that triggered that move on GBP USD. If you saw that move yesterday, this move right here, it was a vaccine news that triggered this move. Then this particular pair was kind of crazy, moving to the upside, right? But right now, let me check some of the fundamentals. We are having USD news today, man. Some of them are high impact news, and it's going to happen in about 4 hours from now. Oh wow. We have a lot of, yeah, we have a lot of the news today, so we will see what is going to happen. You see them, USD, and this is a high impact news. Core retail sales. Okay, okay. Power speaks. Okay. FOMC member Brenner speak. Okay, all right. So yeah, we're trying to see what is going to happen once they release this news, right? So yeah, these are the data for GBP USD, and I'm still in it according to what I told you guys, right? And I'm still in it on my account. So the thing there is that make sure you are doing a very good risk management. Make sure you are doing a very good risk management, bro. Let me start reading. Okay, no sound, and I can't hear. No sound. You can't see your chart. Okay, no chart. So your chart Israel. We can't see chart, bro. We can't see your chart. Oh wow. Yeah, we can't see it. Okay, all right, all right. Maybe after I check this, right? It's also try to check GBP NZD huge long. Okay, I will try and check the GBP NZD. Yep, I'm in that trade. Then it will go up at least 400 more pips. Yep, okay, all right. GBP NZD, right? GBP NZD. Okay, all right. Okay, it breaks out of this. Let me remove that. That was for yesterday. Yeah, yes, it will go up. It will go up, man. It will move up. So this is GBP now. This is GBP. I remember this is daily time frame. Yeah, for sure, man. It will move to the upside. So let me. You see what I'm doing, right? You'll be risking around 200 and something pips to make like 500. Yeah, you see that? Okay, all right. Does not yet break the turn, break this zone, but it will definitely go up, man. It will definitely go up. Let me check something. Go around. Let me start from here. So these points, right? Look like this. So we need a clear breakout of this zone. But right now, what are these price action signals that I'm seeing here? Yeah, it will go up for a buy. It will go up for a buy. Check it out on smaller time frame. All right. Oh my goodness. So G is crazy, man. G is crazy right now. So yeah, if you are expecting the GBP to buy, definitely GBP is now changing direction to the upside, right? It's gonna buy. So yep, it is what it is. I think I will still reduce the risk on this trade. Still negative 11 pips. This is still in profit, but you know, if this G will break out of this level, I might close it in negative, man. I might close it in negative and wait for retailers to get in for a buy. Well, let me wait for it to break out of this zone, right? Once it breaks this zone, then I'll look out for buy opportunity. You know, remember that GBP usually move with this GBP USD. They move together. So it is what it is. Let me wait for what is gonna happen. Yeah, let's see if it will break out of this zone as well. But right now, it's pushing harder to the upside, man. Wow. I think GBPSD is trying to just go up, man. It's trying to go up. Oh, so this guy can do. Oh, wow. Ah, my goodness. So G, I think he's just gonna go to the upside. There's no more going down, you know. It's gonna go to the upside, man. Yeah, sorry, I was kind of having some network issues, right? The network is unstable, so it is what it is. So GU is still, you know, moving to the upside, trying to break out of this. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. NZD card as well, but NZD CHF still pushing to the downside, right? So yeah, let's see what happens. Like I said earlier on, I'm still holding the trade. Three of them, I'm still in it. I'm still in three of this trade, so it is what it is. See NZD card as well trying to come up again for this move. It does move with GU, man. It does move with GU. But this guy is trying to be in profit now. I might close this at break even though. I might close it at break even. Let me see. I might close it at break even. That's it. So NZD card now is back at break even, right? So I might close this NZD card, one of the position right here, man. Because all this happening now is not okay at all. Well, yeah. So I'm closing this NZD card remaining position, man. I don't want any trouble. So closing it around this break even. Let me say it in the group chat, things like that. Closing NZD card position around break even. So it is what it is. I'm let him know that I'm closing it at break even, right? So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, I'm closing NZD card remaining position at break even. That's it. And let me forward it to these groups. I forward a message, Yeah, so there we go. I'm about to close this NZD card around break even, guys. So that's it. I got to close it around break even, though it might still push to the downside. But nah, I'm not. I'm not going to stay in it again. So closing at around break even. There we go. Boom. Close the NZD card at break even, bro. No cap about it. So I closed that around break even. So yeah, boom. Closed it around break even. And I'm only in GBP USD and NZD CHF now. So this one, is gone. And this is just retracements to come and retest this before it will continue to move to the downside. But nah, I'm not in it anymore. And of course, I might even close this GBP USD as well, which about negative. Let me calculate how many pips is this. Negative around 20 something pips, something like that. Around negative 30 pips. Nah, okay. Negative 27 pips. I might close it around that, man. Or let's see. Let me hold this for some moments. Or let me wait for it to break out of this zone. Once it breaks out of this zone, oh my goodness, I gotta close it and look out for another trade to trade. And I'm still in NZD as well. I'm still in NZD with some negative, right? I'm still negative on this trade. Still negative around 10 pips. Negative 10 pips on NZD. So it is what it is, man. These days, the market is not cool at all. It's not cool. Oh wow, NZD card is pushing to the upside now. Oh well. Oh my goodness. Well, let me pause a little bit from this particular pair, and of course it will come down for retracement, man. It will come down for retracement. So let me pause. I'm not going to trade this, man. I'm going to trade this. It's somehow very much risky at the moment, so that's why I'm not going to trade it. Yeah. So we had retracement already. We had retracement already. This was it. Wow. Well, let me stay off of it. I'm going to trade this particular pair. So it has refused to come down to that retracement. So yeah, gotta clear all of this. And check the daily time frame. Oh yeah. We might see it pushing to the downside now. AUDCHF. Yeah, we might see it making this double top before it will start falling. So let's see what happens. So you see this particular trade yesterday broke out of this zone, and now it's trying to continue to move to the upside, right? Same thing. Okay, this was our last week trade. We took it, and right now it's trying to change direction to the upside. So almost all of these AUD pairs, right? And CAD CHF as well, back again down to this point. So let's see how far it's going to be. But I did not take this trade. I didn't take it. I didn't take it. So same thing with CAD JPY. I did not take the trade as well, but you know what is happening now. Trying to come back down again to the downside. So HF JPY, DXY, this one as well. Boom, continue to move to the downside. Oh, is that Euro GBP? Euro GBP right now still okay. Had a double bottom. Okay. Oh wow, this was a perfect morning star, man. Retest, boom. All right. Nah, this is not interesting. It's not interesting. Euro JPY, I'm still expecting it to come down for retracements before it will buy. You see that? I'm still expecting Euro JPY to come down to this level or this level before it might buy. So let's just continue waiting for what is going to happen. And of course, you see this move to the downside. It's still moving to the downside, right? Euro knock, so still moving as well. Let me check the GBP pairs. Okay. So yeah, you see what happened on GBP NZD. I was expecting the retracement to come down to this level. You see what happened? Boom. It's breaking out of this zone now, trying to go down, right? What about GU? GU as well is trying to drop, so let's see what happens. But NZD card, you see, after I closed it, still pushing to the upside. This one as well pushing to the upside. Oh my goodness. Why are they pushing to the upside? Wow. It's very strange, man. But if it breaks out of this zone, I gotta close it. But I'm still holding GBP USD as well. Let's see what is gonna happen. Let's see what is gonna happen. But I've closed NZD card. I'm out of NZD card. I'm out of it. Let me clear this. And we might even do a fresh analysis. Of course it will still fall, man. It will still fall. Oh, let's see what happens. It will still fall. But I'm not in it anymore. I'm not in it anymore. So maybe if it cooperates later on, we might get in again. So let's see what is gonna happen at the moment. Let's just pause and not trade it because of this. You see this to the upside. You see this trend line trending to the upside, right? First touch, second touch, and third touch. You see this? You see this? And you see this? You see that? So it's kind of trying to move to the upside at the moment. So yeah, let's see what is gonna happen. Let's see what is gonna happen. That's it. Let's see what is gonna happen on them. So GBP USD now. It's still playing around this zone, man. It's still playing around this zone. So for the week, we are just up 30 pips, you know. That's very strange. We are up 30 pips, and it is what it is. The market is not moving. Market is not moving. It has been a rough journey so far. It has been a rough journey. It has been a rough journey, honestly. It has been a rough journey. So, of course, you know, we do experience this type of week, like break-even week or things like that. But it is what it is, man. So it's still negative 18 pips. Still negative 18 pips. Still moving. You know, is what it is. I'm out of this, man. I'm out of it. I'm out of NZD card. NZD CHF. Once I see a breakout of this or this, I'm going to get out of it. My network is unstable. I don't know why. Yeah, so this USD card. So I was expecting USD card to start to move for another retracement to this level, but rejected it around this zone and pushed to the downside. So it is what it is. But I'm not in this trade. I did not take it. I did not execute it. So I was expecting it to reach this low zone first before it pushed to the downside, but it has refused. Rather, it has just pushed, trying to push to the downside, so it might reach this level. What about NZD? Okay, so now is this one is still pushing again to the downside. GU. So you see, GU is still trying to push to the upside, and it is what it is, man. Oh wow. I think I gotta close this trade, man. I think I'm going to get out of this with minus 19 pips, negative 19 pips. So I'm closing NZD again, and possible maybe NZD again. So ever NZD and NZD and the GBP I might close them. Let me just wait. Let me just wait for some minutes. Let me just wait. Once it breaks out of this zone, but it's changing direction, man. It's changing direction. To be honest, that's what is happening. Okay, that's volatility 75. So far, so good. The week is not cool. Not at all. This week is not friendly. You see what's going on now. There's no any indication of sell, no sell signal here. I didn't see any confluences that can give me a sell opportunity. Same here as well. No sell. Um, See ADUSD pushing to the upside. Cat CHF. No, I'm not. I'm not getting in this. Not getting in. Of course, this was a retracement, but this is an engulfing candle. Break out of this, man. I'm trying to come down. So let me check this. If you put something like that, so you see this one as well, KJPY. I need to push to the downside. All right. Let me see. What is GBP NZD? Well, you see the reason why I say it have to break out of this, man, because this run line I drew it, I think, on the daily time frame. Now, on 4 hour, yeah, on 4 hour time frame. So let's see what is gonna happen. So you break out of this zone down, it might retest this and continue to move to the downside. So this is an engulfing candle breaking out of this, just something like that. This was a breakout, right? Breakout to the downside, so you might retest this and continue the push to this zone, right? To this level. To this level right here. Before it might start buying. So let's see what is gonna happen. How many pips was this though? Around 90, okay. So this push now that happened, how many pips is it? Around 52 pips, alright. Alright, so let's see what's gonna happen. So you see this breakout that happened. I'm gonna retest this and continue the push to this level. So right now, no clear indication of buying, guys. We wait for complete indication to buy. But right now, no clear indication of buying on that particular pair. Yeah, GBP JPY as well might still push to the downside. But why GU is not pushing to the downside? That's another problem. You see, all of these pairs, they positively correlate, but according to what we are seeing, that's not any indication that it's gonna push and things like that. But I'm still in it. Let's see what is gonna happen. NZDCHF, I think I'm still in it as well. Yeah, I wanted to close it, but let me just wait for some. But this is an engulfing candle, man. Oh my goodness. And this is Marabozu. If you guys know, but this 50 minutes after, I'm going to regard this as a valid Marabozu. But this is a perfect Marabozu, which is the candlestick pattern. If you know what I mean by Marabozu, and definitely my students, if you are here, if you guys are here, I told you guys about this candle. If you remember our last Zoom call, right? So I talk about all of these candlestick patterns and things like that. Told you how to trade it. I gave you up around 9 for bullish, 9 for bearish. I think so. So you check it out as well. So this is Marabozu, which means that the buyers are really strong, pushing the price to the upside, right? So this is a 15-minute time frame. It might just be some sort of manipulations. Whatever this on 4-hour time frame, oh my goodness, I'll close my sell position and wait for it to push to the upside, right? But let's see what is going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen. So yeah, just a quick reminder, guys, if today is the first time right here on this channel, please, if you like what we are doing so far, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Also, join our Telegram channel, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and also follow us on Twitter, so that we can be connected on all of our social media platforms, right? So yeah, just trying to do that right now, right away. So as you do so, I appreciate it and thank you very much. So yeah, let's continue with what we are doing so far. So yeah, let's try and wait for this to push to the downside. And what about Euro USD? I'm still in it. So yeah, Euro USD is trying to come down and retest this before it to continue the push to the upside, right? So I'm still holding this trade as well. We took it last week. Still holding it to go for 120 pips. Yeah, I've done the analysis and things like that. So that's it, man. And this one as well is pushing to the downside with the GBP AUD. Is still pushing. You see, you remember my analysis on it. I did this trend line, got broken, and right now it's going to the downside, man. And retest, but I did not get in. Because I don't have to trade everything, you know. Don't have to trade everything. So you see all of these touches, and there's another touch here, another one, another one. But right here, you see a breakout happen. So this is the breakout strategy. I trade breakout strategy. I trade everything, man. I trade everything, you know. Trade everything. So yeah, it is what it is. I did not get into this, but I have my analysis. You guys can see it right now. I had my analysis on it, so. But I did not trade it, to be honest with you. I did not trade it. So this sell, I did not trade it. I'm still waiting for some pairs to start. So yeah, GBP CHF as well. It's just misbehaving, right? It's just misbehaving. Right now, I'm still in GBP CHF as well. I'm still in it. Because of my final take profit is not yet triggered for around about 180 pips, something like that. Yeah, 180 pips. Still expecting it to go for that move. GBP, JPY, it is what it is, man. Still doing the rubbish. Oh well, it might buy though. It might buy from here. Yeah. Kind of getting interesting, but I think I might buy GBP JPY, man. But let me wait for this 1 hour candle to close, something like that, right? Yeah. Oh no, that's not what is gonna happen. Let me mark this out. It serves as a reason for me. So let me mark it out and see what is gonna happen. Oh yeah. Hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing. Do you guys understand what I'm doing? Let me know. Let me know if you understand it. Somebody is saying okay, GBP is dropping. Yeah, it's still going to buy. Yeah, for sure. It's still gonna buy. What you have to do is you wait for the signal confluences. You know what I mean? So you wait for this. Okay, so you see now it's getting back in it. So if it eventually breaks out of this zone and close above this, then it's gonna get interesting, and I might even buy it as well. But let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what is gonna happen right there. So GU is attempting to push to the upside, and SDD card is attempting to push to the downside now. Something with this. Let me just wait. Let me just wait and see what is gonna happen, right? No need for you to be panicking. You have to just know how many percent of your account you are risking per each trade that you are getting in. That's the reality, and it will keep your account safe. It will keep your account safe that way. But if you are not able to know how much you are risking per each trade, definitely you might end up blowing your account just like that. So it is very, very important for you to do a very good risk management. It matters a lot. And somebody saying, which broker do you use? Yeah, I use IC Markets and I use tradersway.com. So those are the two brokers that I use. I can even show you my listing right now. If you see it, I even pinned this one. You see, clients area, AC market, IC market. So you see, this is Traders Way right here. So those are it. Because I use them, these are the two brokers that I use, and all of these things for YouTube, Gmail, Telegram, whatsoever. All of them, they are here in my bookmark, right? I bookmark them. So yeah, those are the brokers that I use. So let's see. But it's not cooperating, man. It's not cooperating. Anyway, if he's able to break out of this and continue the push to the upside, GBP SDD is gonna buy. But if he's not able to break out of this and continue the push to the upside, and of course you can see now he's trying to reject it, so it might come down to this level before it start buying. So let's see what is gonna happen. That's it. Let's see what's gonna happen. But right now, no indication of buying. No indication of buying. Rather than selling is gonna be make sense here. So, but it's not gonna be for long-term sale, man. No, I'll be expecting it to come down to this zone first before it will push to the upside. If it's not able to break out of this zone and close above this and back again inside this trend line before it will continue the push to the upside. So, and of course, we are still monitoring it, and let's see what is gonna happen. So we were on GBP JPY, right? Okay, yeah. So GBP JPY, I think I'll buy this particular pair right now. I'll buy it, and my target is gonna be somewhere around this zone. Let me do it. Let me take my risk reward and things like that. Let me go around the 5 minutes again. and do something. So I will pick this up, do it like this, and I'll reduce it to be like this. Then shift this to be like this. You know what I mean? And this is it. So yeah, that's that. And what am I supposed to do next? Let me leave it around 1 hour time frame. And yeah, I think I'll wait for this particular candle to close. This 1 hour time frame candle. I'll wait for it to close. That will be, yeah, that will serve as another indication for me that it's gonna buy, right? This way. And my stop loss is gonna be below this zone, around 50 pips, to make about almost 200 pips. This is cool. This is cool, man. It's cool, huh? To make around 200 pips is still cool. Yeah. Wait for it to close before I get in. So I'm risking 50 pips, and yeah, I'm to risk like 3% whatsoever. I risk around 3% of my accounts. Hope you guys are following up, so that I can just understand if you guys are following up. It's very, very important. Yeah, like I do say earlier on, that if today is your first time here, subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel. I'll share the video, like it as well, as we move on. So yeah, I'm buying this GBP JPY right now, and I'm risking 50 pips on it. So yeah, I'm buying it. Let me go and look out for GBP JPY. Boom. I'm buying GBP JPY right now, and there we go. I'm risking like 2.5%. Risking around 2.5% of my accounts on this. So yeah, this is okay. Let me execute it. So boom, bought it now. Boom, bought it. Yeah, just bought GBP JPY. So that means GBP USD is going to buy as well. So I just bought it, and I'm risking like around how many percent of my accounts? Okay, I'm risking 50 pips, right? 50 pips. Yeah, it's around 2.5%. 50, 75, yeah, around 2.5%. That's what I'm risking. 2.5% on this. So I bought it around price, around this price, 138.004. Around points 138, 138.004. Yeah, that's my entry points. It It's gonna react to this zone though. Make sure it's gonna go down. All right. Yeah. All right. I got in already. So I already said I'm risking like 2.5, right? Risking like 2.5%. So yeah, risking around 2.5% because we are risking 50 pips. So let's see what's gonna happen. So GBP as well is trying to get it back inside this zone. So let's see what's gonna happen. So I bought GBP JPY. Let me send it to you guys in the VIP channel and in the premium channel, right? So let me send it to them. I bought GBP JPY, which is around price. No, around price. What is that? Let me check it. 138.004, right? 138.004. That's it. Boom. So I'll send it to them. Let me do the stop loss. Oh my goodness, it's now flying to the downside. Negative 6 pips. Well, it did not close above this. That's why, it's now pushing to the downside. And of course, it's gonna go back up, man. It's gonna go back up. So let me do the first take profit, second take profit, and things like that. But it's rejecting the upside, man. Well, it is what it is. First tip is gonna be around, yeah, around that zone is okay. So yeah, I'm setting the stop loss and take profit, guys. I'll update you soon. So it is GBP JPY, right? Just gonna buy stop loss and take profit. You're risking 50 pips. The price is 137, 137 points, points 494. Then first TP 138.300. And second take profit is around 50 pips. So 138.501. And the final take profit is around 200 pips, right? That's what we said. 140.00. That's yeah, that's 200 pips. So yeah, I just update them with the stop loss and take profit in the premium channel and VIP channel, right? So for those that are not live and direct here, I'm not going to send this to free channel. I'm not going to send this to free channel. So if you are live and direct watching this video on our YouTube channel now, it is your lucky day, and there you go. You have the what is called the signal, right? But for those that they refuse to join whatsoever, I'm not going to send it or update them in the live, in the free channel. I'm not going to do that. So that's how it is, man. That's how it is. And I update them there. Let me check the. So you guys can see it's trying to push to the upside. Let's see. This is what happens. Let's see what happens. And let me check GBP/USD. Why is GBP/USD? Oh yeah, GBP/USD is trying to go up, back up again. So yeah, let me. I gotta wait for 1 hour candle to close on this. Yeah, for sure, man. Let me wait for this 1 hour candle to close. Then, you're going to buy this NZD, GBP/USD as well. I'm gonna buy it. Ride this all the way to the upside. That's how it is. Oh yeah, you're gonna buy it. So you know that we are risking around 200 pips, something like that. Around 200 pips, that's what we are risking. On this, if you go down to daily time frame, yeah, we are risking around 200 pips to make about 500 pips. So that's around 1 to 2.5 risk roll ratio, right? 1 to 2.5. So we'll see what is going to happen. 1 to 2.5 risk roll ratio. Oh yeah. So let me just wait for it to close before I get in. I want to get in early and things like that. So yeah, you guys can see GBP JPY is back in profit. So let me check those early trade. Okay, NZCHF is coming back to be in profit now. I'm still holding it. GU as well, I'm still holding it, but I think I'm closing GU here. I'm closing GU. So I'm closing GBP/USD, man. Oh, let me see how many pips is this gonna be. Closing GU around with almost 30 pips. Almost 30 pips. Almost 30 pips on GU. Oh wow. closing it with almost 30 pips, but let's see, it's rejecting this zone again. Let's just take a look at it, what's gonna happen. So NZD card again trying to come back down. All right, this one again is trying to get back in to this zone, right? So we are going to buy it. So yeah, I'm closing GBP USD with minus 30 pips. Well, it's not a good news, man. It's not a good news. It's not good news, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So let me announce it that I'm closing GBP USD with minus 30 pips. So yeah, I've closed the GBP USD. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm waiting for this GBP NZD 1 hour time frame to close before I get in. 1 hour time frame candle before I get in. Yeah, close the GBP USD now, and excuse me. So yeah, that's it. And I gotta clear this. Remove all drawing. So there you go. Removed it. So it is what it is. Took about loss of 30 pips on that. Took a loss of 30 pips here. So that's how it is, man. That's how it is. So it is what it is. NZD still trying to be in profit though. NZD still try to be in profit. Let's wait for this in case if it will be in profit, right? Because I'm still holding it, expecting that soon is gonna be in profit, right? And if you're able to break out of this zone and make another low here again, definitely gotta close it. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. So NZD JPY, GBP JPY, trying to go back in again and for another negative. So let's see, let's see. So yeah, of course I'm in a buy. I'm in a buy on this trade. Just bought it. I'm in a buy. So let me copy the data and paste it right here as well. All right. Let me just wait for the 1 hour candle to close, man, because these are the things that we'll be dealing with this week, and maybe for the remaining days for this particular year, So because of all this coronavirus vaccine, a lot of fundamentals affecting the market, man. A lot of fundamentals. So it is what it is. Which trade is that? GBP, GPY, right? Okay. So yeah, let me go and copy the stop loss and take profit in our group, because I did update them about it, right? So this is the ITT premium channel, the one that you are looking at right now. So let me copy the GBP, JPY and go and paste it right here. And paste it right here. So I bought GBP, JPY, right? Around that price. So I'm gonna make it 32. I'll make it white. So yeah. Boom. There we go for that. Then let me go down again and copy the complete data, right? So I copy it, then I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna paste it right here. No need for that anymore. So let me put this one as an entry point. This one is gonna be entry point. Right? Let me read this to 24. Then check out the first TP. The around price 138.300, right? 138.300. There we go. That's it, which is the first TP. 30 pips. It's gonna be first. For 30 pips. And I'll just copy this. Okay. Then second take profit for 50 pips, and the price is 138.501. That's the second take profit, and it's for 50 pips. Another second, 50, right? So there we go. Right now it's still going down to in a drawdown. Still moving in a drawdown. It is what it is, man. So I'm not going to trade much this week. I'm not going to trade much this week. I'm not going to trade much this week. So my goodness, I'm not going to trade much this week. 8 minutes more for this candle to close 1 hour candle. So yeah, that's the trade that I'm in, and NZD CHF. So I'm in NZD CHF as well. What is NZD CHF? So yeah, NZD CHF is trying to come back down to being profit. So I mean it's let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yeah, let's see what happens, right? Or NZD card. NZD card trying to come down again. G as well is trying to come down again, but not interested in them. So GBP NZD is trying to go back up, but let me wait for this 1 hour candle to close completely before I get into this. Of course, we will have gotten right here, but I wanted it to break out of this zone. Most importantly, let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close, to be honest. So now we are still at break even. Remember, we closed the NZD card around break even, right? But yesterday we had a first take profit hit, which is for 30 pips on NZD card. But today we closed GBP USD minus 30 pips. So that means we are break even for the week right now. We are still break even. And NZD CHF is still moving in negative, right? It's still moving in negative. And same with GBP JPY right now, it's still moving in negative again. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. See this? Still minus 10 pips. Minus 10 pips on this GBP JPY. GBP NZD. I must wait for this 1 hour candle to close, man. I'm not getting in. I'm not getting in. Must wait for it to close. That's why it's back again in this round line. So I must wait for it to close. Anyway, Let me continue checking to check other trade. So I'm still moving in profit and 50 minutes. Okay, all right. Okay. DJ is trying to come down though. Is it his HF? Let's wait for them. Euro USD is still pushing to the upside. All right, that's cool. So yeah, that's cool. And wow, NZD CHF is just pushing right now. NZD CHF is trying to misbehave as well. Trying to misbehave. That's what I'm saying. Trying to misbehave. Right now is about 11 pips, which is negative 11 pips, not in profit. Negative 11 pips. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. So GBP CHF is now minus 12 pips, you know. Um, minus 12 pips, all right. See, GBP CHF is not able to break down, continue to move to the downside. So, it's a bad indication for us, man. Very, very bad indication. Okay, so 1 hour candle has been closed now. Let me check GBP NZD. Where is it? All right, so anybody with me? About to get in now. And we will be risking around oh my 200 pips, you know. So I'm buying GBP NZD right away, guys. Buying GBP NZD as well. We go get it. GBP NZD. Boom. Yeah, I just bought GBP NZD. Just bought GBP NZD, guys. So there we go. I just bought GBP NZD. So there we go. And so now it's now moving in profit, right? Let me send it to them. Around price, which price is that? Around price is 91798, 91795, 1.91. 91795, 795. So I send it to them now, and let me screenshot my whole account size, so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, there we go. Just send it to them, and send everything. No hidden secret, man. No hidden secret. I tell you what I do, or I don't tell you, say I do this, why I don't do it. So GBP right? That's the last trade that we took. So yeah, let me calculate the stop loss and take profit for them. Of course, stop loss, you know that this one is around 200 pips. So and let me send it to them. Say GBP NZD buy, stop loss and take profit, right? My entry point is around 91795, 91975, 200 for 500. Then First tip is gonna be 30 pips. Okay, what is this? 89700 700. Then final TP is around 1.96780. 1.96780, right? And there we go. Remain the TP and all right, I've done that. So what else? First TP and second TP, right? What's my entry points? 91975, 919 91975. Is that where I got in? My goodness. 9197. Let me see it. Oh, 91795. 795. 795. Okay. 795. Pick this up, bro. No. 795. All right, that's the entry points. This is gonna be the first TP. Yeah, right there. That'll be first take profit. And the price is 92095. And second take profit is around let's put it there, 92299. Yeah, that's it. So send it to my premium and also send it to my VIP. Boom. There we go. So I took 2 trades today, and I don't think I'll be interested in buying any more trade, you know. So that's the entry points. That's the entry point, right? So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, let me try and check what you guys are saying in the live chat, right? Okay, which broker do you use? The app coming back up, yes sir. Can you check Euro NZD? Okay, I'll try and check Euro NZD. And can you check GBP AUD? Okay, I'll try and check it as well. How can I join? How can I join Pay Signals? Okay, if you want to join the ITT Premium channel or ITT VIP channel, you can message me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Telegram, right? You can just go there. All my details are going to be down in the description of this video. You can check it out and also follow the social media platforms, you know. So follow us on Telegram channel, follow us on our Facebook page, follow us on our Instagram page, and follow us on our Twitter, right? Twitter handle, so that we can be connected on all of those platforms. So yeah, you can message me on either one of them. So that's that for GBP NZD. We are now in a buy. So
I don't know what that means.
Siri, come on. So yeah, I'm now in a buy, waiting for it to be in profit, right? So GBP USD, Still playing around this zone though. Still playing around this zone. GBP still playing around as well. Still playing around. You see? Well, definitely gotta go up. Have to go up. It will go up, guys. Let's just wait. Let me check into the CHF. Okay, alright. Into the CHF as well. Still playing around this zone. And I'm still in negative, right? I'm still in negative. I'm still in negative. So let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, guys. So we are about to end this live stream in 2 minutes. We're trying to end it. I just wanted to come and brief you guys about all of this trade. And since we took about 2 trades at the moment, let's see what happens to them, right? Of course, I'll be updating you guys on whatsoever that is going on. If I'm going to close the trade, I will let you know that, hey, I'm closing this trade, you know. I'll let you know. Anything that happens at all, I will let you know. So GJ is still in some sort of negative how many pips? Around negative 6 pips. So yeah. And what about GBP NZD? GBP NZD. Yeah, GBP NZD is kind of in profit at the moment. You see that? This was the entry point, so it's kind of in a profit. Let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's wait and see what's gonna happen. And which trade is that? Okay, NZD CHF, we are still in it. Yeah, NZD CHF is still in negative as well. Negative how many pips? Around negative 10 pips. We are still in it. Minus 10 pips. So yeah, that's the end of it, guys. And thank you very much for joining us. So If you are not in our free Telegram channel, make sure you join us, because that is where I'm going to be updating you guys on whatsoever that is going on, right? It is happening. If I'm going to close the trade, I'll let you know, and things like that. So yeah, that's it. That's it. So for once more again, thank you very much for those of you who joined us. Yeah, see you next time when I'm going live, right? Maybe tomorrow, whatsoever. Trying to go live as well. So yeah, thank you very much for your time and everything. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I wish each and every one of you a very good and profitable day and week, right? Yeah. Goodbye.